Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 18th of January, 2019. It is supposed to get really cold. I think Monday the low is 0. So get ready. Make sure you guys are wearing your coats, hats, gloves, all that good stuff. Just so you know, if the real feel is about 10 or below, we're not going to go outside for recess. But still, as you're walking and you're waiting outside and stuff, please make sure that you're dressing warm. Speaking of weather, today's high is 30 degrees. The low tonight is 19 degrees. There's a 60% chance of snow. We're looking anywhere from 2 to, I think, about 8 inches, depending on where you live, for snow coming up really tonight into tomorrow. Shouldn't impact the school day at all today. PBS expectation this week has been the playground, even though it's been too cold to really get out there. We need to make sure that we're staying safe, which means that we're staying in the school area, Rochambeau, for all solutions to problems. Responsible out there is taking turns and follow the rule of play and making sure that you report problems to an adult. And then using hands and feet to yourself, using kind words and actions. Whistle blows 2 times. You got 2 minutes. 3 times. Line right up for us. All right. Special staff announcement. Just happy birthday to the one and only Miss Johnson. Thank you for all that you do, and hopefully you have a great day and enjoy a long birthday weekend for you. All right, lunch today, we're looking at home-style beefaroni, garlic toast, romaine spinach, mixed salad with light ranch, and orange crunchy baby carrots. Sorry I messed up yesterday. I forgot on snow days that they just moved that lunch over and they skipped that day's lunch. So I apologize for that. You guys didn't get your hot dogs. That was my confusion. Happy hamburger on Monday on a whole grain bun, mini sweet potato puffs, fruit cocktail, crunchy baby carrots. That looks like a pretty good hamburger if you ask me. And let's go. Special staff announcements. The 25th is a half day for students. The parent community team meeting is canceled this afternoon, so if your parents have planned on that, please let them know that has been canceled. That was posted as well. January 21st, which is Monday, is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. We will have a special presentation at 8:30 a.m. for him. And we have a special guest speaker, so we need to make sure that we are following WATCH teachers first thing Monday morning. I might even put it into the announcements. We'll cover WATCH, just that acronym of how to behave and the expectations within our assemblies. All right, our Pledge of Allegiance today. Here we go. We haven't had one of these in a while. This monument is to one of our service branches. I have 2-part question. Which branch of the military is this celebrating? And then, what is the name of the island where this took place? I think I may have had one similar to this earlier, but I need to know the branch of the military, and I need to know what island they raised this flag on. I think we may have had that one earlier in the year. But anyways, here we go with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements. Please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way today, and go Voyagers!